Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, July 29th, and you are that far away from me, so we can show you this great quilt. This is called the Boombox quilt, and we have kits for this. Create this throw quilt quickly and easily using a 2.5-inch strip set and two 5-inch square sets featuring soft dawn and sapphire sky from Wilmington Prints. Your kit includes the pattern, two 5-inch soft dawn carat gem square sets, and one sapphire sky 40 carat gem strip set for your quilt top and binding. And the finished quilt is 54 by 68. Let me just move this over here and then I'll show you the kit pieces. So great. You don't have much to cut. You've got two of these charm packs that have all the nice colors in it. And then you've got one of these strip sets, and that's all you need to make the entire quilt top. So you've got your instructions there, your strip set, and your two charm packs. And that is available in the shop and online now. Then we have some new Cape and Tula 108s. Not exactly new, but new to us. We had a special delivery from Liz, our Free Spirit sales rep, and she was helping clean out the warehouse. So we have a lot of 108s now. These are 108 backing fabrics from K Facet, Tula Pink, and Shell Rummel. That last one was Shell Rummel. This one, of course, is Cafe. And these are all first run, beautiful. They're sateens. They have such a nice feel to them. I feel like that would feel nice and cool on the backside of a quilt. And they are different yardages, so you may find that there's a lot on one or maybe not a lot on one. And these are Tula Pink. They've all got a bird on them. So the bird sort of a swallow. Thank you. Susan's correcting me. It's not just a bird, it's a swallow. And there's the bird on that one. That is a good bright back if you want to keep somebody awake. And then there's the pretty bird on that one. So that's what we have for you today from the shop. And you can, of course, shop online as well. And again, we have a scissor sharpener that will be here on Saturday. Russell from Wandering Whetstone will be here from 10 to 5. So you can either wait to get your scissors sharpened or you can drop them off and he'll deliver them back to the store when they're done. I will put more information about that in the description of today's video. And I hope you have a great afternoon. See you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.